What the Hi, sir. Trying to pump some gas?
Yeah.
Okay, great. I'm just gonna need your sign right here and initial at the bottom.
Why?
It's a new policy we have here. Gas prices are so high that we're actually not accepting money anymore.
Well, how am I supposed to pay?
Okay, so for a gallon of gas, all we want is your firstborn child. Also love the car. What is that, no 06?
Welcome back, guys. It's Cosmo with Will We Make It. Check out my new pad. I just got it with my winnings from, well, not winnings, my profits from APECOIN. $1.2 million, man. Look at that beachfront property. Woo! I'm getting ready to jump in that water here in a little bit, as soon as that sun gets down a little bit. But if you believe that, then this isn't the channel for you. So let's get it. Alright, welcome back. Yeah, that was just a background image. I like the pink pixels, the artist in pixels. They do some great work over there. It's just a background overlay that I've been working with. I'm still just trying to make it like the rest of you guys. Just go over our portfolios real quick. Mine today was a good day, guys. Really good. We'll start off with Stash. I did go ahead and dollar cost average in. I actually purchased 2 new ETFs. I'll show them right here. I bought the delicious dividends I had talked about earlier. I ended up putting in $5 for them, and I invested another $4 into them on Wednesday. And then I also purchased some real estate ETF, the Real Estates of the Union. I did the same thing there. I put in $5 and then $4 along with my additional auto deposits here on Wednesday. But overall, we're in the positive, guys. Things are looking great. Everything is in the green, which is very good. I've been up since, let's see, we can go back. Yeah, I believe my last video was 480 something, and here we are at 562. So that's another $80 this week so far. So we're doing pretty good. Everything's looking good. I do want to go over, man, my Robinhood also is going up today. Yeah, I'm up to 190, and that's basically dollar cost averaging as well with just SoFi and Neo that I had put in. I put in $5 each on them as well, and again, it's been moving up. The market's been looking pretty good this week starting out. So far we're on a good track. Crypto, look at Gemini. The crypto is on a roll, guys. This is a big bull wave. Everything has been going up. Sandbox, APECOIN is still going up. I'm up 6% for the day, but for the week, 19% for the week. So that's pretty good. And that's the thing when you get with crypto. Crypto is very volatile. It goes up, you know, it'll go up 20 points one day, go down 30 points the next day. So if we take a look at the charts, I mean, you can see it's pretty much all green. Some of the major big players of Bitcoin, Ethereum are all up. Ethereum broke the 3,100 mark. Let's hope we can get to 32. Bitcoin was at 44 earlier. It appears to be leveling off a little bit. Look at Cardano. Cardano has been on a roll lately. It broke the dollar mark. It had been months since this particular crypto has been going consistently down, and it has come back with a vengeance. Dogecoin's up. Shiba Inu is also up. Decentraland 10% for the week is up. Sandbox, look at Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity was on a roll. It was up to $71 at one point earlier today. So it is on fire. So crypto is definitely where it's at. That's where I believe. That's where I'm focusing most of my investments on, is in crypto. I believe that's where you can make the most of your potential earnings, just because the potential for earning money in crypto is just huge. It's still very new. You know, a lot of retail investors are just now getting involved in it, and that is just going to lead to more and more investors. APECOIN, we take a look at the holders. The holders have been growing up exponentially as well. I mean, in the last few days, we can take a look: 29,000, 30,000, 31,000, 33,000, 35,000. So you're looking at, 2,000 additional people investing in ApeCoin a day. So that's definitely a positive sign. Yeah, a couple things in the news I want to go over, guys. There's some very interesting news, actually. Tesla is considering working with a new battery, new manganese battery, which is supposed to be a little bit more powerful, little less, more eco-friendly. So this is really big. So this is another effort for Tesla to, to try and increase demand for their company. In addition, they just opened up a new gigafactory in Germany, in Berlin, and Elon Musk was over there, handed the first 30 cars over to a German plant. The new orders of the plant to be delivered from April. 3,500 workers on site to rise to 12,000. So Tesla is doing big things. Again, I think that stock is just continuing to outperform, which is why I'm continuing to invest in them. And Nvidia, you guys heard me talk about Nvidia in the past. They have just signed with Lucid. Lucid is, an EV competitor to Tesla, an EV car company. They're actually assisting in their Dream Drive Pro driver assistance system. So Lucid right here, Lucid on Tuesday confirmed that Nvidia will supply the software architecture for its Dream Drive Pro driver assistant system. So Nvidia is doing big things. They are not just limiting themselves to games, guys. The metaverse, graphics cards, they are expanding to EV cars, all different types of applications. So again, like I said, Nvidia is one of my biggest plays. It's probably the most stock I've owned, or the most money I've invested in a single company, and I'm going to continue to do so going forward. And finally, guys, I just want to go over one thing. You could go to any YouTube channel and get financial advice. By the way, this is not financial advice. I am merely showing what I'm doing and on my quest to be financially successful. But there are tons of other YouTube channels out there. I do watch quite a few. I get a lot of my information from a lot of these different channels. But you'll notice one different thing between my channel and theirs. They'll constantly say, oh, I've dropped $50,000 on this, or I've made $100,000 doing that. Oh, I'm going to be buying 100 shares of Tesla, different things like that, and the normal investor, the normal middle class individual, or even lower middle class like myself, we don't have the money to do things that a lot of these channels say that they do, which is precisely my point in the beginning when I said I just purchased this $1 million beachfront property. We know that that's not true, and whether or not these people actually make the profits that they say they make, I'm showing you firsthand what money I'm putting in, my actual accounts on how much I'm making, the progress that I'm making, and even the losses that I'm sustaining. And if you continue to follow my channel, if you like and subscribe, you will see whether or not we can make it financially. So, that's it. It's just a simple video. Wanted to show you my portfolios. Wanted to show you what I'm doing to invest. Want to show you the particular coins that I'm looking at, the stocks that I'm looking at, the information that I personally researched, that I've gone and throughout the week and have dug up to basically help me make my decisions when I go ahead and I invest. So I put in $5. I started out with $5. You too can start with $5. So go down there and sign up for Stash and sign up for Robinhood. Hit them links down below. Get yourself started with some free stock and invest in your future, especially in time like this. I mean, we're paying, you guys are paying. Like I said, I don't own a car, so I don't know, but most of you guys are paying, $100, $80 to $100 to fill up your tank of your car, and it's only going to get worse. So invest in yourself. Stop buying those monsters, stop buying those packs of cigarettes, and put that money towards your future. That's all I've got this week. I will have another video soon. Stay tuned, so like and subscribe, and I'll see you then. Peace. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe this channel. Join the Cosmo crew. We'd love to have you aboard. And don't forget to sign up to Stash, man. Get $20 in stock just for signing up and linking your bank account. Also, sign up to Gemini. You sign in through Gemini, you can get $10 in Bitcoin by trading $100 or more. You can also earn interest on your crypto. A lot of the crypto that they have, simply by owning it, you earn interest. And a lot of those percentages are more than your bank account, your savings account, your checking account. You'll earn more with Gemini. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.